this is a Vossen forged wheel. This is a custom made to order wheel. I want to show you guys because, well, I mean, look at the finish, guys. It's freaking sick. It's white. Gloss white wheel. I mean, how often do you guys see a white wheel? And everyone keeps buying gloss black, matte black. Point is, CG-209T is the design of the wheel. This is a forged wheel, so what that means is you can get this and you can custom make it to fit your car, whatever your car may be. These are all made to order. It's a 7-spoke wheel, but it's twisted, as you can see. When you actually get this wheel, you don't just get a wheel that's twisted one direction. Each corner of your car will actually have it rotating the right way. This would be a passenger front wheel, right? Because it's rotating this way, right? But on the driver's side, it will rotate the corresponding way. When you're driving, your wheels are all rotating forward. There's a lot of wheel companies out there. What they'll do is they'll do a directional wheel like this, but they'll have all 4 wheels go the same direction. Like, for example, all go left or all go right. So when you put them on your car, 2 of the wheels will be going the opposite direction and 2 will be going the other direction. It looks ridiculous. That's one of the perks of going with a custom forged wheel like this. Vossen makes sure that all your wheels are going the same direction. So let's get a little closer up of the wheel. As you can see, this is a gloss white wheel, pure gloss white. No brush, no polish, just simply clean white. On the bottom here, you have forged 6061T6, which is the material that the wheel's made out of, made in the USA, because everything is made here in America. The standard Vossen cap with the red V. This is a 1-piece monoblock wheel, so what that means is this whole wheel is machined out of 1 block of aluminum. There's not a secondary piece, it's all one solid piece, which is really nice and clean. So this is one of my favorite, if not my favorite feature when you get Vossen forged wheels. So a lot of companies, what they'll do is on the back of the wheel, they'll engrave the specs of the wheel by hand. But look what Vossen does. They don't just write it in with a pen, or they don't just kind of like do this like little handwritten engraving where it looks kind of messy. This is what they do. Check this out. They actually engrave it on the whole outer rim. It is so clean. I've never seen another company do this. So right here you see Vossen Forged CG series, which is the brand made in Miami. This is upside down, but this is engineered for display use only. Typically here what they'll do is they'll say engineered for the year, make, model of your car, so it's really unique. And of course the specs of the wheels. And for a little bit extra money, you can actually have engraved something custom for you back here. Like if you want to put your name or a certain message, they can do that for you, which is really cool. There's a reason you don't see this finish on a lot of cars, is because, well, quite frankly, it looks amazing when it's clean like this, but when you're actually driving it doesn't stay looking like this for very long. This is a great show car color. I mean, this thing's gonna turn heads, especially with the right color car. You can really have a clean setup. So what I recommend to all my clients is if you get a white color wheel like this, definitely recommend you ceramic coat it, because what that will do is it'll make it easier to clean and to stay clean. Water, dirt, grime, brake dust will be a lot easier to take off when the time comes, like when you're washing your car.